Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to easily manage your business's budget using Quicken Simplify. Let's get started. First, download the Quicken Simplify app or visit their website and sign up for an account. Choose the business plan that best fits your needs during setup. Once you're logged in, you will be prompted to link your business bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts. This allows Simplify to automatically import and categorize your transactions securely. Navigate to Spending tab to see a clear overview of your income and expenses. Simplify automatically categorize transactions, but you can customize these categories to match your business's needs like inventory, marketing, or a payroll. Next, head to the budget section to create monthly spending plans. You can set limits for each category, and Simplify will track your progress in real time, spending alerts and sending alerts if your chores close to exceed your budget. Use the reports feature to generate detailed insights into your cash flow, profit trends, and tax deduction. These visuals make it easy to spot opportunities to cut costs or invest more. For recurring bills or subscription, set up watch lists to avoid surprises and ensure you never miss a payment. And that's it. You're now effectively managing your business budget with Quick and Simplified. If this helped, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments how Simplify works for your business. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.